Alright guys, a quick one. Here, I'll detail how to change text message notification sound on iPhone. So if you want to change your text message notification sound, then this is what you need to do. So if at the end of this you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe. Go ahead and open the settings app on your iPhone. On the settings, scroll down, locate and click on sounds and haptics. Under sounds and haptics, you want to scroll down. Then you should see text tone. Go ahead and click on text tone. And now you have few alert tone here. Then select your favorite text tone. And once you are satisfied, all you simply need to do is just hit the back button. And when next you have a new text message in your iPhone, the tone is going to be changed. So that is exactly how to change text message notification sound on iPhone. If you found this helpful and informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.